fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Si ate, siya yung mula pagkabata namin, siya yung laging nandyan para sa amin. Tapos, sobrang bait niya sa aming magkakapatid. Kaya ang wish ko sa kanya, maging masaya siya, maging successful pa siya. Yun lang. Happy birthday, ate.
Like a river flows.
Happy birthday, ate ko. Basta emo ka kalinguan, kalukuran da ka nga, ikamingan. Ikay pa ka imami. Salamat at dakal kaya ka. Tandaanan mo, sabi dapin, we are one. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Take my whole life.
Si ate, siya yung kabait namin na kapatid na nag-help sa amin during our yung sadness nung nawala yung mom namin. Siya yung tumayong nanay. So, siya rin yung nag-help sa akin to finish my college. So, malaki yung pasasalamat ko sa kanya. Kaya, we're grateful na naging ate namin siya. So, ate, thank you for everything and I hope you enjoy your birthday. More blessings and good health.
Take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love.
Wish ko kaya ka, Ate Rose, na adyang pa niya mong kakamuhan kanita, ngayon, at siya pa mo rin dyan isiping me bilang dinala ka dapat nga rin eh, muli nga lalay ma. Happy birthday kaya ka, God bless.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Rose! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Rose! Happy 50th birthday, Ate Rose! Happy 50th birthday, Ate Rose! Happy birthday, Ate Rose!
I just can't wait till the day when you knock on my door. Now every time I go for the mailbox, I gotta hold myself down. 'Cause I just can't wait till you write me you're coming around.
I'm so happy, this is my first time having a birthday celebration. So, my heart is full.
I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, and it's starting to feel good. Hey, alright now, and it's starting to feel good.
Maging maligaya ka habang buhay. I wish you all the success in life.
Maging maligaya ka sa lahat ng panahon.
Pag-iingat. Good health.
My whole life just away.
Ilang años.
370 pesos for the weekend, not back for a day. And no, I said, baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay. Oh yeah, I'm walking
Yung nasa pusa ko, yung nasa dito. Nasa pusa ka? Oh my God, parang sa how old are you? 6 years old. Parang hindi kang regalo. Parang sa 3 years old. So, nagkakapita ako ng baby. Rose, at isasayaw ko dito sa gitna. Kaya natin ko yung sa lamin ko natin sa masayaw.
walking on sunshine.
Wish ko muna kayo happy birthday.